and up and squeezing. 2. My bum is so achy from yesterday's workout. I don't know if anyone else is going to do 2 abductions and then we're going to stand back up. So 20 of those. 3, 4, 5. Now front heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Space. 20 crawls. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You mountain climbing position, and you're just bringing the knee to the opposite side. So 10 of those each side. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take that arm up, lift it all the way off, and then back down. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,